Hello, now we will introduce this CNC machine to you. Don't ask my name, I'm just a seller. For this machine, it has not been finished. Its working table is 1030 multiplied 2050 millimeter. Our staff are completing its line parts and the spindle. The last specs of the machine is here, in inventor include. For this spindle, it's water cooling. You could choose a spindle for air cooling too. For this bridge of the machine, it's a small one. You could choose a bigger one too. This is a jack driver. This is a guide wheel. It's from Taiwan. For the machine's table, it's made of aluminum and PVC. And the PVC not put onto the machine now. For the machine's bed, it's steel.